Discover how to transform your home into a chic haven on a budget with our top tips for affordable yet stylish decor. Start by setting a realistic budget. Prioritize key furniture pieces and save on accents to keep your spending in check. Explore thrift stores and online marketplaces for one-of-a-kind pieces that add character without the high cost. Tap into your creative side with DIY projects. Refurbish old furniture or craft your own decor for a personal touch. Repurpose items you already own. An old ladder can become a unique shelf, adding both function and flair to your space. Use paint and contact paper to refresh walls and furniture. A bold accent wall or patterned cabinet fronts can dramatically change a room. Incorporate affordable elements like houseplants and colorful textiles to breathe new life into your decor. Update lighting with DIY solutions. Turn interesting objects into lamps or add cozy string lights for a warm ambience. Create your own art for wall decor. Frame anything from old book pages to your own paintings for a gallery look on a budget. With creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve a stylish home without breaking the bank. Transform your home economically and stylishly. For more tips, don't forget to subscribe.